Hi, this is Jenna Royal with New Home Lifestyles, showcasing the best in new home design from across the country. Today, we're in Phoenix, Arizona with Woodside Homes. Stephanie Derendal is at the Vantage in Santolina at South Mountain. She'll be walking us through the Watchtower plan. Stephanie, take it away.
Welcome to Vantage at Santolina by South Mountain. Let's get started. I just walked in the front door to a nice little foyer area here. And over here we're going to have a full bathroom and a bedroom downstairs. And then here is the downstairs bedroom. Nice size bedroom. And then from the downstairs bedroom, you've got the stairway to get upstairs. And then you got your owner's entry right off of your garage. Nice little drop zone area. And then off of the owner's entry drop zone, gets you into a versatile den. Nice, great room plan, nice, open, spacious, very light and bright. Got an eat-in kitchen. And there is the kitchen. Nice stacked cabinets. Got a little buffet over there to the side, plenty of room. And nice little slider here, gets you out to the pool area. And you can see the South Mountain in the background. We're located at 35th Avenue and Baseline. It's near South Mountain. Got Cesar Chavez Park, just kitty corner to us. Got lots of activities there, a library, fishing. Great area. And then with South Mountain close by, you've got all the hiking and the South Mountain activities that you have there. All right, let's head upstairs. We're going to be going up to my favorite part. There's this huge loft up here. The space is nice. You can do a lot with it. All right, let's check out that loft. Look at how big this is. And you still have all of this room over here. Get another angle. And then you can see the other half where you're going into bedrooms and bathrooms. All right, let's head into the master. Santolina at South Mountain is also a gated community. And here's the master. Again, got those nice views of South Mountain over there. It's kind of a cloudy day today, but you can still make out the mountain. And here is the bathroom. Got a nice walk-in shower. And into the closet. Lots of hanging space, lots of storage. Got all that up there too for storage. And even over here on this side. So definitely lots of storage in that closet. All right. And that was the master. We're going to head into the secondary bedrooms now. Again, that loft area. And let's go over here to the left-hand side. We've got this one showcased as a baby's room. Definitely calling all superheroes in this room. And this bedroom does also have a walk-in closet. This bedroom is connected to a Jack and Jill bathroom. We'll head into that one from the next bedroom. And then we're going into the next bedroom upstairs. And it has that Jack and Jill bathroom. Double sinks. Perfect setup. All right, from this bedroom, we're gonna head down the hallway. We're passing that loft area again. We'll have a full bathroom also up here. And then we have the laundry room. Nice, spacious, big, lots of storage, plenty of folding space. And then we've got one more bedroom up here. And the closet's on that side. And then coming in out of this bedroom, you have a nice little tech desk area here, perfect for homework, games, you name it. All right, that was the tour of our Watchtower model at Vantage at Santolina at South Mountain. Come on out and check us out.
Thanks, Stephanie. For more information about this community, click the link in the comments below and stay tuned for more new home designs.